You got the GTI? You got it with the mousetrap, dog? You know it's been sitting for a minute if she got the mousetrap in there. Ooh. Hey girl, how you doing? You got the new house, dog? With the garage, brother? Oh, you got the tools, dog? Oh, with the coffee? I'm back! What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. Oh, it has been some time since I've seen you last. And we back. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna make this video really fast because I hate talking video. One, I'm sorry I've been on a sabbatical. I'm sorry I've been gone. I'm sorry I've put you through this heartache of no good YouTube content. All those other videos are just bullshit and you just gotta put up with it because, you know, we ain't got no good GTI content, you know what I'm saying? Where do we go? Should we go back here? Where have I been? Where have I been? Wow, I kind of feel like it's been a full year. Job things, position things, yada yada yada. I got caught up with the car. We tore it all down. We tore down the car. We put a new turbo in. I had months of problems with tuning it because of I had a boost leak I couldn't get fixed. We were blowing charge pipes. We were over boosting. We changed the actuator. And anyway, I had problems. And then fast forward a little bit. We moved into a new house. Bros, we live here on the lake. Bros, life upgraded. So needless to say, we moved into a new house. Meg and I moved into, we were renting, but we moved into a new house on the lake. We've got a dock. We've got a boat. I think I got a new truck since, oh, sorry. I have an old piece of shit truck that I got new to me. So much has changed, oh my God. Anyway, here we are. All my neighbors are gonna figure out that I'm a YouTube guy. They're gonna be like, hey, what's that? What's the guy doing with the camera there? Don't like it, call the cops. We had problems with the car. We moved into a new house. I got a new position at work. I've been super busy. I've been trying to figure that out. Anyway, we're here. We're back. That was our biggest problem was wintertime, bro. We literally got snow and then snow and then snow and then snow and then snow and snow. It's like not enough that I could even drive the car that made it worth it at all. Like it would like melt and then we get another foot of snow and then we get another 2 feet of snow and then we get another foot of snow. We got the back patio, dog. Is this not wild, brothers? Where we left off, high pressure pump got done. Vortex XL got installed. We need to finish up the tuning because I had so many fucking problems. And I think we've squared everything away. But I'm gonna have to run through everything and remember where the fudge we left off because she's literally been parked up however long. It's been, I don't even know. She's been sitting for like 6 months, dude. We had an actual ass winter. I'm so sick to be back, bro. Let's go! Anyway, I'm gonna try to stick to the once a week, probably like Fridays or something posting. We'll get right back into it, and I don't want to... I was like putting off this to do work stuff, which kind of really upsets me because this is what I love to do. I'm glad to be back. I hope you guys are hyped. Anyway, this has been long enough. This has been a really long talking video. The vlogs are going to be sick because we got the... Like, we working on the car, we get the boat, I can just get up, we can go fish for a little bit, do a little fishing, then we come back, and then work on the car, and then we go ride dirt bikes, and then we go shoot guns. Anyway, it's only up from here, bros. I'm so sorry. I feel like I growed all up since I saw y'all last, you know? You know, moving into new houses and stuff and whatnot, you know? I'm so glad to be back, bro. I feel like I forgot how to film. I will wrap this video up. Look forward to the next video. The next video, we're going to jump back into the car, and hopefully we'll get right back into it. And I hope y'all are excited. I don't know why I keep doing this. I don't know why I put off the thing that I love doing, which is filming videos. I plan to do this for the rest of my days. This is what I'm good at. This is what I'm meant to do. There's no more excuses anymore. I'm going to put 100% into this. And anyway, I will catch you boys in the next one. Peace.